On this episode, we'll be focusing on the physical features of the United States and Canada. By the end of the episode, you will be able to describe the relative locations of the United States and Canada, identify the main landforms of the United States and Canada, and identify the major bodies of water in the United States and Canada.
Roaming around the world to teach you how to use a map. Making social studies interesting, I swear this is no trap. Gonna learn about population, lines and degrees. Once you're through with me, this will all be a breeze. We'll travel around the world to visit seas and land. Hopefully you'll learn something with the videos I have planned. After we're through with all of this, you'll better understand. We're ready to get started with one question at hand. Where in the world is MK Shenandoah?
First things first, we need to identify where the United States and Canada are located. What continent are the United States and Canada a part of? Talk to your neighbor. You should know that the United States and Canada are a part of the continent of North America, located here on the map. These countries are located in between two oceans. To the east is the Atlantic Ocean, and to the west is the Pacific Ocean. Both countries contain different types of landforms, including plains and mountains. The largest mountain range in North America are the Rocky Mountains. Along the Rocky Mountains runs the Continental Divide. The Continental Divide is responsible for separating the flow of rivers to the oceans. The second largest mountain range are the Appalachian Mountains. The Rockies are along the western part of North America, while the Appalachian Mountains are along the eastern part of North America. Between the mountain ranges are the Great Plains and the Central Plains. North America also contains landforms specific to it. In the United States, there are many plateaus and basins. In addition to these, the United States has glaciers. Glaciers are slow-moving, large sheets of ice. Canada also has some special landforms, like the Yukon, home to Mount Logan, the highest peak in Canada. Canada also contains the Canadian Shield, which is an area of rock covered by a thin layer of soil. We can't forget about the different bodies of water. In North America, you will find that many cities developed near the rivers and lakes. Both the United States and Canada share the borders of the Great Lakes. The Great Lakes are freshwater lakes and are the largest in the world. An easy way to remember the names of the lakes is to think of the acronym HOMES. This stands for the Great Lakes Huron, Ontario, Michigan, Erie, Superior. Of the 5 Great Lakes, only one is completely in the United States, and that is Lake Michigan. The rivers located in North America are important too. In Canada, the St. Lawrence River connects the Great Lakes to the Atlantic Ocean. The St. Lawrence River is used as a transportation corridor. This means the river has been altered in order to enable large ships to navigate it. The largest river in the United States is the Mississippi River. The Mississippi River starts in Minnesota and flows through the Central Plains, finally ending in the Gulf of Mexico. The tributaries of the Mississippi River are the Ohio River and the Missouri River. A tributary is a stream that flows into a large river. This means the Missouri River and the Ohio River flow into the Mississippi River. In last chapter's videos, we learned that MK Shenandoah was located at 30 degrees north and 32 degrees east. Take a moment to tell your neighbor where you think MK Shenandoah is located. If you followed your lines of latitude and longitude correctly, you should have found that MK Shenandoah was located in the country of Egypt. MK Shenandoah made sure to visit the Great Pyramids and some awesome cat statues before jetting off to her next location. MK Shenandoah's new location is 24 degrees south and 140 degrees east. Tune in next time to find where in the world is MK Shenandoah.